Hi, sir. Happy 70th birthday. Technically, ikaw ay 70 years old na. Oh, wow. God is really good, no? Nakaabot ka sa iyong 70th at lalagpas pa yan for sure. Iniisip ko, ano kaya magandang regalo na po pwede kong ibigay sa'yo? Lahat naman yata ng kahit na anong gustuhin mo ay makukuha mo at kaya mong bilhin, no? Kaya mong makuha any given time. So, ano kaya yon, no? Iniisip ko. So, sandali ito yon. Buko! Bakit buko, no? It's very significant to me, and I always say that the organization is the character of the president every single time. And hindi ko to makalimutan kasi tumatak talaga to sa isip ko. When I was still an HR dyan sa DC, ginagawa yung Iron Horse, gagawin siyang nire-renovate for a restaurant. And meron buko doon sa gitna noong area. And here comes Ed Tombo, which siya yung inassign mo na maging tagapamahala, so to speak, ng renovation. And he comes over and tell you, sir, may buko doon sa gitna. Anong gagawin natin? Tatanggalin ko na ba yon? And then sabi mo, hindi, hayaan mo lang siya doon kasi sayang yung bunga, makakain pa natin, pakikinabangan pa. And then several days later, balik na naman tong si Sir Ed. Sabi niya, sir, nalaglag yung mga buko, buntik may tamaan, delikado, patatanggal ko na yon. O sabi mo, no, pagawa ka ng bilog, no? Pasahod mo yung mga buko kasi sayang, magagamit at makakain pa ng iba. And of course, after ng mahaba-habang panahon, nung malapit ng matapos, sabi mo, sira talaga yung aesthetic, hindi talaga pwedeng nandun yung buko. O sige, pwede mo nang tanggalin yung buko. To me, that is a reflection of your character as a human being. You really do not give up. Not that easy anyway for anyone or with anyone. Naalala ko, ako, no, personally, we have come to a point in our employee-employer relationship na I need to leave for a very personal reason. And naalala ko yon after a trip natin sa Malaysia, Singapore, and we went to MOA. Nagpaalam ako sa'yo, and then sabi ko, sir, I really need to go because it's really very personal. I need to heal first, so I need to move out. And then sabi mo, sige, Ma'am Beng, okay lang, basta ang mahalaga kapag ka naramdaman mo na it's not going to work for you, 180 degrees, balik ka, sabi mo. And lo and behold, I'm here, back. Almost magte 10 years na ako ulit simula nung ako ay bumalik. And because that is how you are as a human being, no? I really don't give up on anyone, not that easy. And naalala ko din na you treat us as your family. Naalala ko noon na when you were having a very rough patch in your life and you said, Ma'am Beng, can I cry on your shoulder? Kasi na malungkot ka. And then you cried. And then ako naman during the time na nagkaroon din ako ng napakasakit na pangyayari sa buhay ko. Maagang-maaga nandoon kayong dalawa ni Ma'am Beng sa akin. And kinakausap niyo ako, umiyak ako nung umiyak, sinabi ko lahat. And hindi kayo nawala, no? Hinawakan niyo pa rin ako sa kamay. And despite the fact that I went here in Manila, sabi mo, sige, umuwi ka sa Manila, hawakan mo, magtrabaho ka doon sa agency doon. So, it really is something na ikaw, no? That's who you are. And ang pakiramdam ko, kahit na hindi tayo magkamag-anak, hindi tayo blood-related, but I can certainly feel that I am just like the buko na willing ka to take care of, willing ka to give second chances on. And if kung pwede lang, no, hindi tayo magkahiwa-hiwalay at lagi tayong magkakasama in this journey that we call life. Pasalamat ako sa lahat ng ibinigay at itinulong mo sa akin professionally, emotionally, and intellectually. Lord, pinagdadasal ko sa Panginoon na maging malakas ka pa, magkaroon ka pa ng maraming opportunities at yung iyong mga pangarap na hindi lamang nakalaan para sa iyo kundi sa mas nakararami ay matupad mo pa sa tulong ng ating Panginoon. Mahal kita, alam mo ba? Happy birthday, sir. May God bless you. I love you. Bye.